What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna basically be doing an unboxing of the Scytek Astra A15 model. It's a security system and keyless entry. Normally these be kind of full size. I don't know how it look on camera, but normally this be like a bigger box because it'll have like a siren in it. But this one is a little cheaper because they don't come with sirens. So like no sirens mean like less weight for shipping, and they can sell these real cheap. But it do come with a horn honk option. Well, like when you hit lock or unlock, it'll blow the horn, and then if somebody set the alarm off, the horn will it'll constantly go off, or you can have it pulsate when it go off. I mean, I have plenty sirens that I can add on to here, but I'm basically, when I use this, I probably use this for keyless entry on the Honda because I don't have the factory key thing that it came with. So I just basically need it for the keyless entry part. But no, who knows? So let's start. Let's go over this. All right, let's see what it all come with. Basically, I just told you, but all right. Come with the installation manual, how to program it and install it. And I like it because most of the models they program the same and they have the same coloring. Just maybe a few more options, but that's pretty cool. All right. Come with the brain box. Got the the ports and stuff on the side for different like the valet switch and the LED light. And then they come with two cool remotes. I like these remotes on the Scytek. It's like a 5-button remote, lock, unlock, trunk release. That's if you had a remote starter or you add a remote start onto it, and then a function button. You can program this to work more than one vehicle. So got that, and then of course got the bag come with let me open this up. Come with the valet switch. This for like this is like if you want to program the alarms for like different functions, or like if you washing your car, or like if you at a restaurant or whatever, you could turn the alarm off. It tell you how to do it in there. Most of the time you just turn the key forward, hold this button for a few seconds until the light turns solid, and to take it off you just turn the key forward and press it, and then it's back on regular mode. It just bypassed the alarm, so like if you're washing it or somebody parking it at a restaurant, it won't constantly go off. All right, but you got to be careful when you put it in valet mode, because like if you put it in valet mode and then you park in a bad neighborhood or whatever, and you forget it's on valet mode, then your alarm is off. So keep that in mind. And then it also comes with a LED light. Pretty sure you know what this is. This LED light is like an indicator light it's like a depth deterrent to let everybody know that you can have an alarm on your vehicle, which is good because like I said, most alarms don't stop vehicles. Don't stop like thefts or break-ins, but it's like a theft deterrent. Like most times if somebody see like a light flashing or hear an alarm going off, they're gonna move on to an easier target, because like don't nobody want to break into nothing making noise and drawing attention to themselves. So keep that in mind. And another thing the LED light can do too, it can like when you're in program mode, it'll let you know like what option you're choosing, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because it'll flash that many times of the option that you choose. And normally, like I said, it would come with a siren, but I was able to get this for cheap because these little small boxes don't come with a siren, but it do come with a horn hunk option. That's on the, I believe it come with a horn hunk option. Let me see, let this focus in. Let's see, let me turn this. Does it have the horn trigger out there? Let's see. Yeah, there we go. I had to find it. Brown and white. You see this negative 500 milliamps horn output. That's the wire that you're gonna hook up to your horn, and it's gonna blow. Like I said, I can hook up a siren to this. I have plenty of extra sirens, but this time I'm just gonna hook up the horn hunk, because like I said, it's just a little runaround vehicle, and I'm not too concerned about it. You know, I might leave a little few tools in it, and the horn, the noise from the horn is good enough for me. So at the end of like the horn go out, or I need a louder horn, it's just easier to change the horn too. So then I won't have to worry about sending a wire through the firewall and hooking up anything under the car. So that's a plus. And then another thing I noticed too, that this don't come, that's why it's so cheap, because normally these come with like trunk pins. That's like if you put a pin in a trunk and run a wire to the front of the alarm. So like if somebody popped the trunk, the pin go up and it sets the alarm off. But most of the newer vehicles have like lights in the back. So when you let the trunk up, the lights come on. You can also hook it up to that light with a diode. I'll show you guys how to do that. If my light work in the back, you hook it up to that light. So when somebody let the trunk up, the back light come on and it sets the alarm off. You know, and I also have some what they call a mercury switch too. You hook it up to that. It's like a little a piece of like silver mercury in it, and it stays in the middle. And you hook a wire up to it and you mount it to the trunk. So soon the trunk go off, that mercury move and it sets the alarm off. I have plenty of ways of doing that, but I don't need them. I mean, this is like not like a high-tech car. Like I said, just a run around car. So I'm not gonna probably be hooking up all them options and extra stuff, but I'll get into that. Well, anyway, guys, and these things last a long time. I love this brand, Scytek. So if you're in the market for an alarm, try getting like something Scytek. They got a different levels, like models. Like they got the Astra, then they got the Galaxy. So I suggest if you're in the market for alarms or whatever, most are, check out Scytek. They real reliable, easy to program. They got cool remotes and stuff like that. So just keep that in mind. You want something that's gonna last a long time, like longevity. Like I've been installing this brand for years, and I haven't had any problems into it. They remotes are cheap, because some places like the alarms, it's hard to get the remote changed because the company is always changing the products. But these remotes just about work for all their systems. Easy to program. And even if you got an old remote around for the Scytek to an old system, you can program it to that new system. And then if you want to upgrade to like a pager alarm, to like one of them LCD screens, the one that like if somebody mess with your car or go out, it shows you on a little pager remote. You can upgrade that to all to their systems. Like if you buy a remote start, all you have to do is change the antenna, get the battery remote, and program. And it's real cheap too. A lot of places want a bunch of money for their remotes, like $100. You can get them Scytek remotes as little as like maybe $25, $35. And like I said, if you got old Scytek remotes, Astra remotes, you can reprogram them to your system. And if you know anything about alarms remote starts, is you're not gonna too much find a remote that you could program to all their systems. Like that remote right there, I could program that to pager alarm, their basic alarm, or the alarm or the remote starter. So that's cool. But anyway, guys, I'm not gonna make this video too long. I just want to show you guys this alarm system in case somebody looking for an alarm system. I'm probably gonna be putting this on my Honda Civic because, like I said, it didn't come with a keyless entry, and I need it for that. So, and while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and hook the alarm up to it. So, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, share this video all out, and I'll be putting information like the model number that I'm installing. The model number of the alarm in the description below, so you can check that out. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm out. Stay safe. God bless y'all. Later.
Perfect, 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 perfect.